Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right now. Back up anything you can access, because the only reliable way to remove a locked app lock on Realme is a full reset. Once done, make sure battery is above 50% and connect to a PC or USB OTG drive to copy media. You must also confirm the device's Google or Realme account login details, otherwise factory reset protection will block access. Next, power off the phone and boot into recovery using the power plus volume down, or you are in recovery now. Use the volume keys to move and the power key to confirm. Select wipe data/factory reset and follow prompts. This deletes app lock settings and related data, which is why the backup step mattered. Once confirmed, wait. The phone will erase user data and possibly run a cache wipe. Choose wipe cache partition if present to reduce boot problems. This step is destructive but effective. It removes app lock system data that cannot be removed while locked. Once the reset finishes, select Reboot System now and stay patient while the first boot completes. You will be guided through setup. Sign in with the same Google or Realme account used before, because factory reset protection requires it. Without those credentials, you cannot proceed. After setup, restore your files from the PC or OTG, reinstall apps, and reconfigure app lock cautiously. If the phone hits FRP or a boot loop, try reflashing official firmware with the Realme tool or contact support. That fixes most remaining failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.